Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial. A New Mexico jury awarded over $412 million to a man in a record-breaking medical malpractice case against New Male Medical Center. The lawsuit, filed in 2020, alleged the clinic misdiagnosed the 66-year-old and administered unnecessary erectile dysfunction injections, causing irreversible harm. Attorneys argued the clinic engaged in a fraudulent scheme targeting older men, claiming injections were essential to prevent permanent damage. The award includes punitive and compensatory damages, marking the largest U.S. medical malpractice jury verdict. New Male, operating in several states, denied commenting on case specifics, but emphasized its commitment to responsible care. A heartbreaking news. A 28-year-old inmate, Robert Warren, was found dead in his cell at North Branch Correctional Institution in Cumberland, Maryland. Maryland State Police confirmed his death as a homicide following an autopsy. Another inmate has been identified as a suspect, but remains unnamed pending formal charges. Authorities have not disclosed the cause of death or how long Warren's body had been in the cell before discovery. The Maryland State Police Homicide Unit is leading the investigation with assistance from crime scene technicians and the Department of Public Safety and Correctional Services Internal Investigative Unit. The case will be reviewed by the Allegheny County State's Attorney's Office upon completion of the investigation. In other updates, two Kentucky residents, Edward Roberts and Anna Carolina Gomez Bridge, are suing Givaudan Flavors Corporation following a November 12th plant explosion that destroyed the facility, killed two workers, and damaged nearby homes. The lawsuit alleges negligence, citing warnings from employees about overheating equipment that were reportedly ignored. Roberts and Bridge claim physical pain, emotional distress, and property damage, with Bridge requiring therapy. The company has acknowledged liability and plans to relocate the plant. Other lawsuits include one from a worker's family and a delivery driver alleging PTSD from the blast. Dozens of homes sustained damage, and residents described the explosion as traumatic in 911 calls. Another heartbreaking news, a Tesla Cybertruck crash in Piedmont, California, early Wednesday left 3 dead and 1 critically injured. Speed is suspected as a factor, according to Police Chief Jeremy Bowers, though the cause remains under investigation. The accident occurred at 3:10 a.m. as the occupants returned from a social event. A separate driver rescued the sole survivor before the vehicle caught fire. Firefighters extinguished the blaze quickly, with Fire Chief Dave Brannigan noting no signs of a lithium-ion battery fire. Bowers stated that mechanical issues tied to recent Cybertruck recalls, including inverter faults and stuck pedals, are not believed to be primary causes. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.